Thank you so much for joining in today, and today I will be explaining about the medium gouache, and I have lots of different samples here that I'm going to go over, and let's jump right in. For starters, traditional gouache is also known as opaque watercolor. These are very similar. They're just a bit deeper and a little bit thicker than watercolor, but they're not quite as thick as acrylics. They can be layered really well and have great color payoff. A lot of people use these for illustration purposes, and they do have a matte finish, and they are quick drying. This medium can be used with many different things. The colors are very bold, and especially that will depend on the set that you have, but the one I have here, I really love the bright yellow, and I dropped in a little bit of that hot pink, and right here on this one there's this one is a viridian, and then the blue mixed again with a little bit of the hot pink. So the colors are really bright and vivid. Some people also use this for calligraphy. And you can use a lot of the same products that you would for watercolor, which is nice. This is watercolor paper right here, and I always go with 140 pound or higher. And this particular one is cold press. I do like a little bit of the textured paper. That's just my personal preference. You definitely want something heavy though with the gouache, just like you would with the watercolor. I hope you enjoyed this mini introduction to gouache, and I also have a full tutorial on flowers in a simple vase. If you're interested, you can check that out on my profile. And thank you so much for watching.